See, we got the expenses, reports, ad, and settings screen. We worked on the settings screen last time we streamed. We don't have the alerts, the model for the erase data just yet, but we can work on that maybe today. Then we have the groceries. Then we have the categories screen already done. We are listing the all of the categories here, and also we have this okay-ish looking color picker. It was the best one I can find, you know, without having to build out my own color picker. Yeah, that's like let's not do that. But yeah, it does the job. It lets you select colors. You don't really need like 6 million colors, etc. And there we go. Oh, and also we did the swipe to delete thingy. As you can see, for example, we can delete. There we go. We can delete all the categories. We don't have a blank screen, like the empty state screen. What else? We can continue working on showing up the pop-up here in the erase data, and I would like that to be a native pop-up. Sorry, alerts. Yeah, a native alert. Like, are you sure you want to erase all data? So we can work on that, and we'll be done with the settings and categories screens. One thing I need to figure out is, like, let's see, 1, 2, 3. I want to see if it scrolls. Let me just like create this. There we go. There's the issue. Okay, let's fix that. This should be a list. Here is the spacer. So this view. There we go. Overflow is set to hidden. Yeah, this should be a scrollable list. Is there like a scroll view? Yeah. Let's wrap this. Either wrap this or like replace the view with a scroll view. I'm not sure what's the best. There we go. Okay. There we go. Alright, so we have the whole list here. This stays at the bottom, which is cool. Now we can also scroll. Nice. If we have 2 lists, it still scrolls. That's all right. And this is where it ends. You see that? Okay, let's see. This is CSS debugging. All right, background color red. Let's see. There's the list. So what if we did flex 1? No? Okay. Ah, because this is the flex 1 thingy. Yeah. What if we don't have this? Yeah, we don't actually need the spacer, right? We can set the flex 1 to the list. And this is always here. So even if we open the keyboard, we can still... Yeah, let's actually do that. There we go. Okay, we fixed that issue. Let's go back and figure out how to show a native alert when we click on this button, erase all data. There should be a way. Let's see. Alert. Specify title and message. Optionally provide a list of buttons. Tapping any button will... Alright, so... Optionally provide a list of buttons. Tapping any button will fire the respective on press callback and dismiss the alerts. By default, the only button will be an OK button. All right, this is an API. Yeah, we're pretty much gonna do that. Actually, all right, let's see. We are importing alert from React Native. Create a 2 button alerts. title, message, and then these are the two buttons. And just do alert.alert. Yeah. And where is this method being used? Create two button alerts. Let's see. On press, create two button alert. Yeah. Exactly. All right, so we're gonna go to the settings screen. Bring in the alert API. Erase all data. When we click on this, we just like clean it up real quick. There we go. We should do alert.alert. There we go. Title. Let's check out the Flutter app because we already have that working there. Are you sure? This action cannot be undone. Whoa, that was pretty cool. All right, and then we have the two buttons. Cancel, and then that's just it. And then okay. There's a style. I wanna see what the styles are. Because this is erased data, it's not okay. There's also a style which can be destructive, exactly. Okay. Let's go back to our app now and click it. No? Let's reload it. There we go. Are you sure? This action cannot be undone. Cancel and erase data. Beautiful. The only issue is that we can see this alert is in like light mode, but the whole app is in dark mode. And I think we basically faked dark mode up until this point. And now is the time where it shows. So we actually need to implement dark mode and like force the app to stay in dark mode. How do we force the app? Platform color. Let's see. React Native. Force app dark mode. I know there was like an iOS one. UI appearance. Oh wait, let me zoom in for you guys. Not force disable Android dark mode in React Native. Force dark allowed. Okay, this is in like the styles XML, but do we actually have this? No. We don't have the Android project because we're running with Expo. Yeah, so we should be looking in Expo, not just like React Native. Okay, there we go. Light and dark modes. Both managed and bare projects for iOS and Android require additional configuration to support switching between light and dark mode. Oh, user interface style. Beautiful. We can actually set that. Nice. All right, let's see. we already have it, and like we did that last week. User interface style dark. Is that a real automatic? And dark. Restrict app to support dark theme only. If the key is absent, it will default to light. We already have it set to dark, right? In EAS build and development builds, you'll need to install the native module Expo System UI, otherwise the user interface will be ignored. Okay. Install Expo System UI in your project to enable this feature. Oh, I don't think we actually did that. Yeah. How do we do that? Like, let me run this and we'll see. We'll see what we get. Okay. There we go. Okay. That's for Android. What about for iOS? Because we're running in iOS right now. And yeah, we need to figure this out for iOS, not just for Android. Okay, let's install this in that case and see what we get. So Expo install, was this valid? mpx expo install this. Okay, all right, let's do yarn iOS now, and I'm gonna reload the app. Oh, it's still light. Okay, maybe it's the component. Let's see. Expo alert, no, React. Hey, what about Expo alert color mode? Oh. Okay, so let's do, instead of Expo, React native alert color mode. I don't know, always lights. Alert not properly visible in dark mode. Yeah. This is for Android, and it tells that you should be overriding the colors. Still, this is like native code. The alerts. Prompts. Create and display a prompt to enter some text. Okay, this is like a prompt. Options. Alright, let's see. Options. Type is objects. User interface style. Nice. Alright, let's see. Aside from the title, message, buttons, and also this, we can do user interface style, and we can set, oh nice, we can set this to dark. Let's reload. There we go. Nice. Okay. This action cannot be undone. Boom. Okay, pressed. Yeah, we'll figure that out. Erase. Data pressed. We don't actually want to do anything on like on press here. But wait, there was like cancelable. Let's set the cancelable to true. I believe we need to reload again, because that didn't actually change anything. Maybe it overrides this cancel. Yeah, maybe it doesn't make any difference if we have this button, but what if we remove this? Let's just reload, because I don't really trust this. Yeah. It says cancelable. Set it to true. But I think we're better off with a button, right? Yeah. So like here's the one, the Flutter alert, cancel, erase data. Maybe the styling is a bit off. It's like not the same. But this is native. Yeah. All right. Real nice. What did we do? We installed the Expo system UI for Android. Maybe that will change it. And then we also like fixed the categories screen scroll plus add alert on erase data. There we go. Oh, come on now. Oh, I need to pull first. Yeah. Let's just merge this. Okay, we updated the README. And now we can sync. There we go. Yeah, I remember I added the README for the project. I didn't use to. I didn't have it previously. Alright, cool. You're on iOS. Moving on. We can start working on the settings, on the add screen. It's pretty straightforward. It's just a form, something like this one, but with inputs instead. Here's how it looks like. There we go. We got the amount, recurrence, date, note, category, and there's a submit expense button below. So let's actually go with this add screen. There we go. I'm gonna open a function, like instead of directly returning JSX, let's do this instead. Let's see how categories, how we build categories. There's a keyboard avoiding view. We will definitely need this because these are inputs. Here's the keyboard avoiding view. There we go. We'll play with the offset and those things. I'm not sure we're gonna need a scroll view because the keyboard is about this size, but maybe for smaller screens, we're gonna need a. Let's see, you know, we can just like add it afterwards and we'll be done. All right, so we need something like a category row, but we already have a view for that. Components, it was this list item. Now maybe we should get the, wait a minute. Yeah, the detail is basically a React node, so we can use the list item component and put the input on the detail. Yeah. Okay, so we should wrap this instead of categories. Let's go to settings. Yeah, we have list items here and there's a view. Let's actually grab this view. Man, I should start making components out of this because I keep reusing them. Lists item. There we go. Import the list item, and now we need to add some stuff like label and detail and on click. Maybe not. It's not clickable, but do we support that? On click, yeah. Touchable opacity. There's the on press. Let's see. So this will be amount and the detail is going to be a text field, right? Something like we have here in the category screen. There we go, text input with this style. We're not going to be using this style, I think. Wait, where is this coming from? Text input. It's from React Native. Okay, there we go. We'll figure out the on change and all these things. Update the theme. Actually, no. We don't need a border in this case, right? And this is just an ordinary text input, while as for example, a recurrence, date, and a category are actually pickers. So especially the date, it's a date picker. This is what it's, you know, what it renders when you click on it. But we'll see, you know, let's just do like create the state variables now. There we go. Name, it's not going to be a name, it's going to be an amount. And while we're here, we can just like do set amount, native event, text. There we go. Okay, let's go back and start looking at the screen. We have the amount, we have the category name. Okay, that's the... I don't know, let's do 35, for example. Oh, it's just amount. Okay, let's do that instead. I feel like I always need to reload, even though there's like a hot reload. This doesn't like get updated. Okay, so check this out now. We have the list item here, and the amount is up to this point, but we actually need... This is okay. This is okay. Let's see. Background color. We should set this to red, and it should be like the full row. Come on. Yeah, it's the full row. Beautiful. So what we need to do is change the text alignment, so it should start from the right. Let's see, align, text align, beautiful. Text align is right. That's right. There we go. So, okay, so it's clickable now. You see that? Okay. We need to figure it out into the list item. If there is no on click, we don't want this touchable opacity to basically happen. I don't know, is it like disabled? Let's see if that makes it not touchable or like not clickable. All right, there we go. And I can select like aim on here and do 35. Okay. That's good. But if, for example, if it is clickable, yeah, if there is an on click event, it does that. All right, cool. This is like too padding and margin. I don't think we actually need this. There's a view margin of 16. I think we only need margin top. There we go. Yeah, because there is already a padding of 16. We wait a minute. We don't actually need it at all, right? Yeah. And I need to figure out why is this like so tall. I think it's because of the text input. Yeah, the text input is like this tall, whereas the text itself is not. This says like height 40. What if we remove the height 40? Oh. Let's actually see if any of it's, you know, if it's readable. Wait. What if I click here? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so the idea is to make the make the text input a bit taller, because right now it's like it's hard to hit. You have to like precisely zoom in on it and like actually like touch the text input. What if, for example, like building forms, we have the form field right here, we have the input right here, and this is like the full form control. If I even click the label, the focus should go on the input, you know. That's how form controls, like that's how, I don't know, forms should be designed, right? Even though if I click here, if I click anywhere within this gray rounded box, I should focus on the input, regardless, you know, regardless if I'm like this, like if I'm closer to the edge or not. Yeah, and now the text, the list item itself, it has this padding. There it is. Not sure if I should like enforce the padding here. What if I remove it? I can remove that and bring back the height of 40. And technically it should be okay, but it might break the other ones. Yeah, you see, I can do the left and right. But even if I click like here, it still gets... Now we have the other problem. Yeah, with this thing right here. Yeah, at least we should have a horizontal padding. At least we should have a horizontal, but about the vertical. What if we do... Okay, check this out. We had like 12, right? And vertically that's like 24 plus the 40. That's like 64. What if we did min height of 64 instead? Oh, no, that's too much. That was the input one. 40 actually, right? There we go. Maybe like 44. Yeah, instead of doing padding, let's actually add a min height of 44. We'll keep the horizontal padding, so we have the, you know, the left and right edges with some padding, and we're basically aligning the items like vertically to the center, so they're always in the middle of the list item vertically. All right, this looks like a solution. So we got that right. There's the amount, and I'm happy of how it turned out. Moving on to the recurrence. And this is our first challenge because we're not going to be using a text input. We're going to be using a picker. So let's see how pickers are built in React Native. There's a date picker and all these things. Maybe Expo. Yeah. React Native picker. Let's see how it works. Like this looks like a third-party library. It's a standard picker. That's all right. Yeah. Can we label and value? Can we do a custom renderer? Item style. Okay. Here's the deal. This picker, for example, for the groceries, for the categories, sorry, I've added a little circle here Can you see that? I've added a little circle to indicate the color of the category, right? For example, when we're creating categories, we assign a color to it. This picker doesn't have like a custom item renderer, so it's gonna be hard. It's gonna be hard to come up with the... Yeah, it's like picker.item. There's a label and a value, but it's like more of a select than a picker. You know, we can't really have... Let's see, selected value style. There's a style. There's the item style. Style to apply to each of the item labels for iOS and Windows. Okay. But I believe that's the recommended picker from Expo, right? So I don't know. Let's make it work. Let's install the React Native picker. Maybe we can like utilize the style, and instead of like providing the little circle, the color circle, maybe we can just like change the font color, change the text color of the category name. Let's see. Let's do yarn iOS. Wait, if you're installing this in bare React Native, you should also follow this. Okay, this is all we need to do because we're not using the bare React Native app, we're using Expo. So let's continue with the documentation. Already did that. Already did that. We should just import the picker and place it there. Alright, let's see. Here's the picker. And we should do something like this, right? Here's the first list item, which is the amount, and now I need to delete this and basically place this selected value. Okay, so this is going to be the selected category. Sorry, not category. What was this? Recurrence, yeah. Okay, it heard me, but I'm not gonna be doing that right now. Instead of date, yeah, let's just do recurrence. Set recurrence. And this is going to be... I believe we need a type for this. Types, alright, let's do recurrence.ts export type. It's not actually a type. It's an enum. We're gonna keep it in types. Oh man, this is terrible. Okay. Recurrence frequency, daily, weekly, monthly, yearly. Okay, and there should be like none as well. Okay. And I'm not gonna call this frequency. I'm just gonna call it recurrence. So the initial one is gonna be none. There we go. We should do recurrence here, and we should do set recurrence to the new recurrence. How about that? And this is going to be .none is a string, okay? Okay. I'm gonna set the state type to be the recurrence. Oh, set. Okay. There's the error. Set recurrence. There we go. So this is going to be recurrence, and we have none. Can we like enumerate, not like loop through the values of this enum? Let's see. TypeScript loop through enum values. Object.keys. Okay. Let's go to debug. Actually, no, wait. The value and the label and the key should be the recurrence, right? Let's see if this works. Oh, nice. Oh, wait a minute. This picker, yeah. Can we put a breakpoint here? Because we're not in a running. Expo Visual Studio Code debug. What is this music? I want to play a game now. Not anymore. Yeah, I can add a configuration. Expo CLI. Oh. Okay, if I remember correctly, we did debug. Yeah, Jay. It's gonna open up the browser now. It's gonna open up Chrome with the DevTools. Alright, I guess this works. I mean, it would have been cooler if we were inside Visual Studio Code, so I don't have to switch left and right, but ads. We're looking for the ads here and here. Okay, let's see. There we go. Now, object.keys. Rec is none and it's a string, right? Of course, yeah, it doesn't exist right now, but we can see that rec is none and it's a string, for example. Type of, it's a string, yeah. So okay, so this will work. The keys will be properly set because we don't have duplicates in that. Okay. My Chrome is up to date. Beautiful. Okay, but the idea is that, let's get rid of that. The idea is that the picker is here. It's not really in a, you know, it's not really in a, where is it now? In a bottom sheet like we used to have it. Let's see. Yeah, it's inline. That's the issue. We need to open this in a bottom sheet. All right, so on Android is like a select. On iOS it's this picker thingy. Okay, well then let's go back to this and like try to find a menu type of component. or like a select. Let's go back and do React native select component. If we're like doing select, we should be doing select picker. Community packages, color picker, calendar picker. We can use the daytime picker. Yeah. iOS, Android, and Windows. Yeah. We can use that one for the date and time picker. The truth is, I don't even know how the Android one, like the Android picker, looks like in Flutter, the one that we did. Oh, wait. Yeah. Yeah, let's go with this. It looks pretty... Yeah. This is good. Alright, we installed this picker, but I'm going to uninstall it now. No, what is that? Remove? If there's like install, is there like uninstall? There should be uninstall. What the hell? Okay. MPX Expo help. Install. What is the opposite of that? What is the undo of install? Should I just delete it from the package readme? Yeah, from through yarn. Like this? Maybe. Alright, so let's bring this package in. The actions sheet picker. Yeah. Okay, there's the picker right here. The data, the label. And the countries. The data is filter data. Input value is query. Searchable. We're not gonna do searchable. Array of list items. Basically, it's like a name. Yeah, filter data uses the data and returns all of the data that includes the query. But wait, what is data actually? Countries. And countries is not JSON, so now we don't know. Okay. Example. Source. Countries JSON. There we go. Name all of these things basically. Okay, so maybe we can have any type of data basically. How does it know what to render? Okay. There are no stars? No, there's 72 stars. Okay. On open. There's an ID. Okay. Okay, so it's like a... Okay. I don't know. Let's just like see. Let's see what we get. We should also bring in the on open, right? All right. So this speaker goes out, but the data is going to be this, basically. JSX element. Wait. Filtered data. Data is JSX element. Oh, well, of course. We just need this as the data. Alright, inputs. It's going to be the selected recurrence. Just the recurrence then. It's not gonna be searchable. Select recurrence. Set selected. Okay, and then on search, we're not gonna be needing on search. Alright, so this speaker is going to hold the recurrence, the recurrences. And the detail is actually going to be touchable opacity. Inside we'll have a text with the selected recurrence. Like this. And I believe this should be like a single child, so let's just like use empty React fragments. Alright. Import the text. Oh, there's no types now. Okay. No, well, it says that it contains the TypeScript declarations. Doesn't matter. Maybe it's restart TypeScript server. No, it still does that. Okay, that's cool. Maybe that's not cool. Let's just use the on open. We'll ignore the error for now. On press, we are going to do on open recurrence, so it actually opens up the recurrence picker. This looks like it's okay, although I'm pretty skeptical because we don't have it defined anywhere. There we go. Unable to resolve the module within the prop, but wait a minute. No. It was the other one. Right? It was the other one. Yeah. This is the actual picker and the on open. Alright, now what is the issue? Render list item is missing. Beautiful. That's exactly what we wanted. Render list item. Man, this is so cool. This fixes the issue. We have the string here. Okay, in this case, we'll just like return the item, right? It's like the recurrence. It's nothing specific. But for example, in the use case of categories, yeah, we are going to be using the render list item to actually render the list item, right? Try to register 2 views with the same name. What the hell is that? Okay. I have no idea what that is. Let's just like, just in case. I know it's like stupid. We should not be doing that, but like I wanna just get it out of the way. If that's the case, we proceed. If not, we'll search for the error. Okay, cool. Gesture handler button. Let's see the issues. React Native. The error. Try to register 2 views. React navigation in the Expo app. However, you have followed the tutorial incorrectly. If you read the instructions, install gesture handler. However, that is not what they say. If you're using Expo, you don't need to install the gesture handler. Delete your package log, delete your node modules. That's the thing, like the Expo uninstall thingy. Maybe that's the case, because I don't, I don't think it actually. Let's do that again now. React Native gesture handler. I mean, I've had this since 7 days ago and didn't actually crash. So I don't know. Let's just do yarn. Let's keep it there and see. Restart Expo using Expo start C. Okay. You're on iOS. Let's see. Reload. Nope. Still happens. Alright, then. Do we actually use that? We do use that. We use the swipeable. I can't just uninstall this. It's not that. Maybe, I don't know, maybe it's this package. Maybe this package is like smelly package. Yarn, remove this. Just like get it out of the way. And like see if that's the issue, you know. Let's see if it works now. There we go. So the package is no bueno. We need a different picker. And I was so excited for this package, but too bad it didn't work out. This could have been cool, but it's not cool as well. Wood picker. Okay, but what about for Android? Because this is pretty okay. Let's check this one out. So it's the ordinary picker and also date picker. We're gonna need both. Alright, so this is... Okay. It looks like this on Android. It's still like a modal that displays, but on iOS... Okay. On iOS it's actually... bottom sheet thingy. Yeah. Okay, let's check this one. Let's see this one. Oh, there's an Expo thingy. Yeah, I need to learn, like, if we do the things with yarn, are they gonna work, or do I need to do like Expo thingy? I don't know, I'm not sure. Still haven't learned that. Okay. Moving to the implementation. Come on now. Oh. There's the picker item. It has a label and value. Okay. Down button label, style, container style, text input style. iOS custom props. Okay. So there's no custom renderer support. Nevertheless, we'll actually do this. All right. I'm not sure what to do with this one. I'll just do yarn iOS and I'll just do yarn basically. Yarn iOS, and whatever happens. All right, we got the recurrence. The idea with this thing is that we need to have an array of picker item, because picker item is a thing. It's a type that we can import. Here's the picker. And that's about it, right? We have the item, picked data, the selection basically, label and value. Yeah. Like, why do I need to... Doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. There we go. So, data. I guess we have to map this out to like return something in the type like label is rec and then value is rec, probably. Yeah. Okay. We don't actually need this because I think it's just TypeScript doesn't want us now, doesn't like us now, so yeah. Not modules, but isn't it like installed? Only these two. What about the woodpecker? See? Maybe I should have done that. Because now TypeScript complains. There we go. Okay, let's go. Let's proceed. So, there's the picker. Beautiful. Now we have the typings, items. Wow, it's a picker item, which actually contains value, label, color, and font family. We already do the value and label. Color, not for this one, but we might use the color for the categories, and we'll see if that's like possible. As far as I can see, there's only styling, input component, down bar component. These are the React elements. Yeah. Okay. Now it needs a picked item. Okay. Then let's do it. Okay. This is not okay. Like if you're building a project, like if you're creating a package, try not to like enforce this. Just require an ID. Just require an ID or have a prop to define the ID prop. We don't have to like do a value and label one. Maybe I have like a different type of, let me use my own data. Now I actually need to do, instead of recurrence like this, I need to do a picker item, which is actually an object. Mordo, thanks for the follow. Hi. Right, so now I'm basically, I'm stuck with the picker item. And that's not cool. So I need to do label is this, and then value is this. And now it's gonna be okay, right? So recurrence and set recurrence is gonna work. But recurrence is not a recurrence anymore. It's a picker item. So recurrence.value will basically return that recurrence. But okay. We'll play along. All right, let's see what we get. None. Click on it. It looks good, but it's light. We want to force it to dark mode. This is called data picker. Select data, select, just like recurrence. Is nullable false. Okay. There are the iOS props and things. Hey Mordo, how's it going? We should look into these. Maybe the appearance. Dark, no. Appearance, no. Modes. iOS mode, date, countdown, mode. Dialog or drop down. Daytime or daytime. This is for the wrong components. Change the style for the iOS picker in compact mode. iOS props. Custom props. iOS props to pass to the native component. Picker or date picker from React Native community. What is that? Let's see. React Native community. What does that mean? Picker or date picker from React. Okay, maybe that's actually, it's a lot. I need to open this and search for a picker. No. I don't know, date picker. Date picker. And what is this? What the hell is going on? From React Native community. I have no idea what that is. Let's check out. Maybe there's like an example. Yeah. They don't have them, the iOS custom props. Low battery. There we go. iOS custom props. Oh, terrible. It's a string any. So that doesn't give us any clue. That does not give us any clue. Is that the... Okay. React... Okay, it's... Okay. It's basically the old one. They just forgot to update the... Update the name. But we... There was the... Right? Let's see. Style, item style. Modes. We actually tried this before. It actually had the render. Theme variants. Oh, nice. There we go. Maybe that's the iOS custom props. Theme variant. We'll set that to dark. Let's reload. And we should actually fix the height as well. Oh, guess what? It's not actually... Wow. Alright, I guess we'll have to live with this. We're passing the theme variant, but no. Oh, this is terrible. Type, I don't know, let's see. Type equals what? Not actually mode equals drop down. What does that mean? Nothing. Ah, you know what? Giving up on this. Okay. So, okay, we actually had it open. Picker iOS. And what is the picker iOS thingy? Wait, is there like a component? From JS. JS. Oh, okay, there's the JS, okay. Picker iOS. Unimplemented view. Non-iOS. Yeah, so it works only on iOS. That's interesting. This is a terrible library. Yeah. What if we React Native Action Sheet? What if we just open... Yeah, Android works as well, right? So what if we just open... Oh, god dang it. Action sheet with options. Delete save, no. Like just instead of action sheet, bottom sheet. I just need like a container that goes up and that's it. And we can put some stuff inside, whatever we want. Whatever we want. We just need, yeah. Bottom sheet model. Let's try this one. This looks like, yeah. I am using Expo. Oh man, okay. Let's kill this. Kill this. And we're just gonna leave recurrence none, so it's like it stays as a recurrence type. Like this. Okay. First we need to delete some stuff. We did Expo install on these packages, but I'm going to do yarn remove on them. And also the, what was the name? The wood thingy. React Native wood picker. There we go. So we need to install these now. Oh, I got it. So we basically, okay. So okay, we do yarn add on this thing, but then using Expo and also need to, yeah. Okay. Jeez, okay, let's do this and grab the dependencies through Expo. So main packages through yarn, dependencies through Expo. Got it. Okay, installed. Usage. There's the bottom sheet, there's the view inside, and we can put whatever we want inside. And then we can use the ordinary picker to scroll through stuff and, you know. But then we don't even need to. We can use an ordinary list. And since we have an ordinary list, we can, yeah. That is what we're going to do. Screw packages. I mean, this is a package again, but sorry, yeah. Doesn't matter. We want to do this. And how do we open this? Simple usage, non-scrollable content. Index, snap points, detached. Bottom sheet flat list, what is that? Okay, it's a list of its own. Render item, beautiful. That's it. This is exactly what we want. Okay. Moving in. Here's the amount, here's the empty detail thingy. And we're just gonna render. No, we need something else. So we have the bottom sheet, but we also wanna, yeah. Let's render the bottom sheet here. There we go. Let's bring in the ref. Want to keep a ref to the bottom sheet. Use ref. There we go. We'll take care of this in a moment. Snap points. Snap points are basically where the heights of the bottom sheet. For example, on 25%, on 50, and on 90. There's a snap point. Handle sheet change. Callback when the sheet position changed to a provided point. I don't care about that. Position changed. Okay, on close. Is there like a, how do I open this? Right, we have a bottom sheet, but how do I open it? There's a flat list as well. We need a data, and the data was like object.keys from the recurrence, right? Key extractor, just give me the, yeah. Render item. We're gonna have the item just in a text. That's it. List render item info. Item dot index item. Yeah, okay, that's cool. An item is a string, so we'll keep it cool. Content container style. These styles will apply to the scroll view content container, which wraps all the child views. Okay, what is the style actually? Content container. Background is white. Okay. Not for now. We don't want to. Yeah, we're not gonna bother for now, but we know that it exists, right? Detail here. We probably want to render a touchable opacity that actually renders the recurrence as a text, and it has like on press, but we're not going to do anything for now because I still don't know how to open the bottom sheet. Let's see. Any errors? Yeah. No, not this one again. Not this one again. Ah. Oh wait, it's a different thing. Reanimated's bubble plugin is oh, okay. It's a different type of error. You reset build cache after upgrading config yarn start reset cache. So I need to add the React Native reanimated bubble. Yeah, we don't have that. Alright, good point. I remember doing this. There's the plugin. And we also should just do yarn start reset cache. Alright, let's see. Nope, yarn iOS then. Okay. Come on, man. Installed in your bubble config. You should have React Native plugin listed there. Also see above link for details. Okay, I believe we did that. Plugins, we also added this plugin. This is something else, you know. Let's check out the package JSON. Reanimated is here. We added the plugin as well. It's an array, and this one is a string. Expo start C. MPX Expo start C. That's like minus cache. Let's reload and see what happens. Okay. Cache, build cache. Boom, a text string must be rendered within a text component, and I actually did that, but let's see where does it fail. Ooh, nice stack. Oh, okay. Touchable opacity. It should be rendered within a text component. No way. That is terrible. Okay. Oh man, look at the list. Look. What is this? Oh man. I have to be able to close it. That's the... I have to be able... Snap points. Can I set a snap point? Snap. No. What is the detached thingy? The bottom shit is attached to the bottom or no? Yeah, it's detached. And what is the difference? Nothing. Maybe in some other cases. Okay. I want to be able to show and hide this. I also want to be able to show this outside. So maybe I'll do an empty fragment. Render the whole screen view, but then also render the shit here. Right? We'll fix this. It's no big deal. And I can see the styles now. Alright. Here's what we can do. There was something on the close. Handle close press. Close. Okay. Got it. Snap to index. Handle snap press. Okay. There we go. Okay, so beautiful. Check this out. We have the sheet ref, right? It's closed by default. Should be closed by default. But here, for example, we can do sheet ref dot current. Oh, cool. Expand. Yeah. Can we can do expand. Beautiful. Okay, so snap points on close. Pen down to close. Yeah. Yes. That means I can do this, and now it's closed, and I can click on this. It should have been expand. Okay, let's see. Let's reload. There we go. You see that? We have the mechanism now. Okay. Instead of expand, maybe we should call snap to index, and we'll set this to 0, which is the 25%. This needs a reload, but the initial one should be closed. That's still what I need to figure out. Like, click here. There we go. We can, like, the user can like expand it a little bit. They can see none, daily, weekly, all these things, and just like reload. Okay, cool. Okay, so now we need to create basically the list, the full list, and the user should be able to select them, like select the stuff. Occurrence. Let's work on the touchable opacity first. Set the color to white. Oh, come on now. Something's happening. Maybe it's the top bar. There we go. We have none. Here's a detail. Wait a minute, let me see. Is there like a style? There is a style. Background color. Let me see how big the touchable opacity is. Color. No. Color. Reload again. Yeah, it's not gonna work like that. So let's see. Flex 1. Reload again. Alright, that made it full. What if you set width to 100%? And we can set the flex to be on the right. Nope. Doesn't work just like that. Okay. 100%. Flex 1. This is the detail. Here's the detail. Where's the detail? There's a detail. So we have these texts and we have the detail and the justify, because we do have the detail. It's gonna be the space between. If I set the flex to 1. Ah, okay. Maybe I should do a display. We should set it to flex. I'm not sure if that's like a flex by default, so. And it doesn't matter, apparently. No changes at all. Are we able to do this basically? Let's see. React native 100% width. We can use percentages, right? Or not? Yes, we can. Yes, we can. So why is this not working then? We got width 100%. What if I remove the flex? Maybe that's the issue. No, see that? But it doesn't matter. And flex 1 affects the height, but not the width. Alright, doesn't matter. This is gonna be stupid. We'll do padding horizontal. We'll set that to 12. Oh man, I had that I need to reload every time something's happening. Alright, so we'll do display flex, justify content center, align item center, and like spread it out. So none should be in the middle. Maybe I should like remove the... Yeah, I should. Should remove the padding. Because then there will be alignment issues. Okay, now it's okay. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, so we'll do text transform, capitalize, and we'll do color. Instead of white, we'll do theme. Import that from the theme. Colors primary. This should look better now. There we go. Capital case. Clicking on it will open this up, but we still need to figure out how to keep the bottom sheet actually closed by default, you know? Initial, no. What if I do 0? What if I do 0 and then change this to 1? If you want to allow the user to close the sheet, well, 0%. Come on, guys, like, have you thought about this use case? Like, this is so not cool. They must have thought about this use case. What if the users would want the bottom sheet to be closed by default? Like, I need it to be closed by default now. Should I do custom rendering? I don't think so. You know, I don't really think so. Why? How do I close it? Like, animate amount, animated index, bottom inserts, detached. It's not that. Oh, come on, guys. We should have been able to do that. Damn it. Background color, theme, colors, cards. Okay. Let's do some styling then. Container. No, it's not the... What kind of style do we need now? Handle, container, background style. The view style to be applied to the background component. Container style, we the container, handle style. Handle style. Sheet container. Yeah, style. Actually, just style. Just style. Oh man, this is tiring. This is super tiring. Is it a flat list? Maybe we need to like add the style to the flat list instead. Okay, but now we have the handle. Oh man, we need to do everything by hand. Okay. Handle style. We want to do the card as well, so it's pretty much unique. Okay, cool. Background, okay, so handle style. It's a view style. What about this little handle thingy? Can we like handle component, handle height, indicator, there we go, indicator style. All right, so background color, let's do white. So it, okay, definitely not what we want to do, but we got the, no, not primary. Background is all black. Card is this. Border, let's try border. Let's see how it looks like. To, not really. Notification, what is that? Nope. Do you guys think it looks cool if it was like primary? No, it looks like an action. Looks like an action. Alright, so light, no, let's do RGBA. So we'll do white color with like, I don't know, 150. Too much. There's no RGBA. There's no RGBA. Okay, so we want to do FF as a white color, and then we can do like 5.5 for the opacity. There we go. All right, that looks decent, right? Okay, we figured out how to style this, and now this looks decent. This looks cool. Wait a minute. It has lost the little corner, so I believe we need to fix that, right? It's not that, it's actually the list. No, it's not the list as well. It's just style. Yeah, you see that? Okay, so we want to fix the border radius, but on the top left and right. Border top left radius, we want to do, I don't know, let's see, 8. 8 is too small. Let's do 12. Yeah, that looks okay. 12 looks okay. We got 15 minutes. Okay. We got the looks. We don't have the behavior. We still need to define the render item, right? So these will need to be like actions. And when we click on them, we need to be able to select them. And also close the bottom sheet, but they basically need to look good, right? So let's do this. Touchable instead of opacity. Let's, I don't know, let's do a highlight. What do you think? Let's do a highlight. We'll put the text inside, right? And now we need to style this. So we'll do, I don't know, we'll do padding horizontal. We'll set that to 12. Padding vertical, we'll set that to 8. The style, I'll set the color to white so we can see. I'll set the font size to like 18, a bit bigger. On press, let's provide an empty on press so we can see the highlight. There we go. You see that? We need, I believe we need more padding. So let's go 12 with like, I don't know, 18. Okay. How's this? This looks decent, right? Tell me it looks decent. Non-daily, weekly, monthly, yearly. Beautiful. All right, so when we click on the any of these, we should select that one and like close the bottom sheet. Let's do that. So on press. Beautiful. No, not snap to index. We want to do close. Collapse. No. Just want to do close. Oh, wait a minute. Maybe close. Yeah, maybe. Let's see. Let's see. If I do this now, monthly, we're setting the recurrence, right? But if I click on this, yeah, it's actually pretty cool. Okay. But this doesn't update the touchable opacity here, the recurrence. We call set recurrence here. item. But this doesn't change, right? Item. It's a string. Right? Okay, let's see. It's gonna be a string instead. We're just gonna be using the enum just to have the values. Now it doesn't update, although I believe it does update. Like, let's see, console log, changing recurrence to recurrence, but not this recurrence. This is going to be new recurrence, or like selected. So we want to do that. Selected recurrence as recurrence. Okay, so we don't actually... Let's see. Alright, weekly. See, changing recurrence to weekly. But this doesn't update. That's weird. Okay. Am I memorizing the detail? I'm not. There's a detail, right? Oh, wait a minute. What is that? God damn. No. Okay. There's the issue. What if I add... What am I like? Change the label? Change the detail? These things? Let's see. We're memorizing this. Oh man, that's why we also didn't see the changes. Sweet Jesus. Okay, the last thing we need to figure out, and we can like call it a day, is the initial open, like initial state of the bottom sheet. We need to figure that out. We have to figure it out. Bottom sheet props. Let's see. Index. Initial snap point. Provide -1. Oh man. Index. There we go. We just needed to do that. That was quick. Index is -1, baby. To have it closed. There we go. There we go. How do you like it now? Much better. Much better. All right, let me try this on my phone. Let's see what's up. I basically need to download the where are we? App Store. I need to download the Expo app. Expo Go. Alright, downloading. I just need to scan the QR code and we should be good. This one. If you have the Expo Go, go ahead and do that. Diagnostics, development start project. Alright, so how do I... MPX Expo start, we are actually doing that right now. I'm on the Wi-Fi as well. Oh, the camera app. Oh. Alright, so I just need to scan this with the camera. Open it in Expo Go. Yes. Okay. Hey, this looks decent. Nice. Nice. I was afraid that, for example, oh man, yeah, the amount and recurrence, like it's too big. The text is too big. I don't think I can do this now, but yeah. These things basically, the amount and recurrence are like way too big, I think. The amount in monthly are like way too small, so we need to figure something out. Like figure a value in the middle, and this will also fix these two as well. Let's see the groceries. That is decent. That's exactly the font size that we wanna. Okay. All right. Good thing that I actually tried out on my phone, because it looks so much different when it's on the simulator. But now I can see that it's way too big. We wanna do something smaller. This is the thing, right? We have the text input here, the list item basically. Okay. Label. Font size 18, way too big. I think 16 is much better. Yeah. Definitely 16. And now the detail. It's these here, so I want to do like font size. Totally, yeah. Font size here as well. Alright. Now, for example, recurrence and monthly, they're the same. Yeah, I kind of like this, yeah. Oh. Check this out. If I click on the amount and open the keyboard, it's actually the text keyboard. We need the number type. I guess type. Keyboard type, yeah. Numeric. Okay. There we go. Much better. Sweet. Now I don't have the... like, hide the keyboard. Yeah. Let's see. Hide. Caret context. No. Keyboard. What was the keyboard appearance? It's already dark, so we don't actually need to. It doesn't have a return type because it's numeric. Okay, now we need to figure out a way to, like, when we click on this and click away, we want to hide the keyboard. And I've had the issue. Yo, Robert, how do you like React Native so far? It's cool, man, it's cool. I mean, working with third-party packages, that can be a little, you know, a little frustrating, because not not every package documents the functionality and all, but it's pretty cool. Yeah, I like it. I like it. Now we need to figure this out. It's a keyboard. There's a, for example, in iOS, I remember there was the keyboard toolbar, and like you can create a toolbar. There's a reset and set the input accessory view to the text fields, right? For example, we have the text field for the amount. We can set the input accessory view and set that to the toolbar, so it goes on to the top. Oh, much better, much better. Input accessory view ID. See that? Maybe that's the thing. Used to connect to an input accessory view, not part of React Native's documentation, but present in examples. Alright, let's see. There's the input accessory view, there's the unique ID, and now there's a button. Okay, let's actually try this, you know? Instead of add, like, let's do a dismiss. Keyboards. And then we can scroll down here and create the input access review. Native ID is dismissed. There's the view. There's the view. Height 44. That's okay. That's okay. We want to do flex. We want to do justify content. We want to do flex end. So it's on the right. It's like, I don't know. Maybe it's better if it's left, if the user is left-handed, so the thumb is on the left. But I don't know that, so I'm just gonna keep it right. And we'll do align items. We'll set that to center. Now, this is our view. We also want to do, let's check this out. We also want to do we want to set the background to theme, colors, card probably. And we want to do border top color is border, and then border top weight is 1. What is this now? Background color. There we go. And inside we can set, yeah, exactly, touchable opacity. Not necessarily. What are we doing? There's the text. Done. We're gonna call this dismiss, or use a... We can actually use an icon for this. Yeah. We can actually use an icon for this. Let's see. Expo icons. We got 2 minutes. Let's try the dismiss keyboard. There we go. Keyboard hide. That's okay. It looks like an okay icon. Material community, material icons. Is there another one? No. Okay, let's actually use that one. Okay. Importing material icons. This is better. And now, inside of the touchable opacity, we want to call this keyboard height. There we go. Want to do a style. Color is theme. Colors primary. Okay, there's the icon. We want to do a size now. Size 24. Yeah, let's do that. More. Okay, yeah. So there's the touchable opacity. Okay, there we go. Flex, and I always miss this. And this is center, so it's on the right pile. Beautiful. Padding horizontal. 16 should be cool. Now 32 seems too big, so let's keep it 28. And we can click this icon, right? So when we click the icon, we wanna basically dismiss the keyboard. In iOS, that means find the focused element and just like dismiss it. But let's see, how do we do that in Expo? Expo dismiss keyboard. There should be like a global way to dismiss keyboard. What is that? Oh, don't tell me there's a component for that. Touchable without feedback on press. Keyboard dismiss. Keyboard dot dismiss. All right, let's actually use that. React Native. Keyboard. Scroll down now. I like our toolbar a bit more. So on press. Keyboard dismiss. Boom. There we go. Nice. 35. Dismiss. Okay. Alright, this is decent. This is decent. Remove. Clear. Oh, come on now. Okay, there we go. 175.85 US American dollars per week. Okay. I believe we are right on time. Maybe like a minute. But yeah, we are going to continue with the ad screen. Man, we have learned a lot. We have learned. Let me just Let me push this. Progress on add screen. There we go. You can do repo if you want to check out the repo. But yeah, this was a good one. Yeah, we got a little heated when we tried, you know, playing with the picker components and etc. So, but yeah, I'm glad we found the bottom sheet component. We're gonna be using a lot of that, you know, that component. So cool. All right, it's enough for today. Might not stream on Tuesday. I got some things I need to do. Might be able to stream on Thursday. All in all, yeah. Bottom line is, like, we'll see each other on Thursday. Okay? Thanks everyone. Take care of yourselves. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye bye.